This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, heated seats, Hyundai BlueLink, commercial-free satellite radio, a lithium polymer battery, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, solar control glass, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Ford and Hyundai of Kirkland is located at 11800 124th Northeast in Kirkland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.